Are you self-employed, or do you have a business, or are you thinking of starting one? You see, I thought that I was a business owner. I mean, after all, I had a premises, I had an office, I had a network, I had employees, I had a great company car. I definitely was a business owner. Until one day I realized that really what I was self-employed, because my company still needed me to be there. It still needed me to be there day by day to manage it and to do jobs inside the business. But that changed one day. It changed one day when I went to work and there was literally nothing that I needed to do, which meant that that day I got to work on things that I really wanted to do. So I want to talk to you a little bit about making the transition from being self-employed to owning a business that operates on its own and doesn't need you to be there. We talk about this as business freedom, and there are two levels. Level 1 business freedom is where your company runs so smoothly and so consistently that you get to do what you want every day. In other words, you get to work on your passion. If you're a dentist and you love helping people have a fabulous smile, that's all you do. You go in and you improve smiles. You're not doing paperwork, you're not doing purchasing, you're not doing HR, because you have level 1 business freedom. Level 2 business freedom is where even that is optional for you, where you don't need to go to work. Now, very often people say to me, but Eric, I mean, it's my passion. I wouldn't want to not work. I totally get that. It's exactly how I feel. And I want you and your family to be safe and secure. What does that mean? It means that if something happened to you, or if you suddenly needed to take a bunch of time off for your family or for some other event, that your business would continue to run smoothly and produce profitability and income stability so that you and your family are safe. And also, I will tell you this, people change. So what you think is your passion today might be different in 4 or 5 years. So how nice would it be that your business was running so smoothly, operating so consistently that you didn't even have to go to work? Then you would be a real business owner. Join me for this masterclass with Mindvalley, and I'm gonna share with you the exact strategies that I use to lay the foundation for me to create business freedom in my life. And I'm gonna share something with you about this. The very first business I started took me 6 years to achieve business freedom. The next time I started a business from zero, it only took me 18 months, and that's because I'd really learned how to do it. Join me for the masterclass, and I'm gonna show you how.